Okay, we're gonna see an awesome view again. This is in Wechi, where the government just has spent tons of money to clean up this property to build some houses. But I don't think so. I just doubt it, you know. This place, forget it. I mean, if they want to build houses in this place, just forget it. Forget it. Waste of money, time and effort. Look at this mud over here. I mean, the place just sucked in water. Cannot even walk in this mud. Let's try some higher ground, see if I can go through this thing. Otherwise, I'm gonna get stuck. This is much better. Boy, I wish there was a way, you know, we can collect at least 1/10 of all this water that came down. Even try to go in there. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. Talk about a waterfall. This is our waterfall in Wechi. And to get to this place is very difficult, you know, so don't even try to. You will end in mud. And probably you will end in one of these wells, because there's plenty of wells around this place. You don't know where they are. I'm gonna have to be very careful, otherwise I will fall into one myself. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now and let you enjoy the nice sounds. Can you just imagine yesterday? Just imagine yesterday how this place must have been, you know, with all that millions gallons of water flowing down. Boy, oh boy, I'm telling you, that should have been awesome. That should have been awesome. Boy, oh boy, but you know, I'm so sorry I couldn't, you know, get it for you. I wish I had, but I didn't have time to do that. And also, it would have been very dangerous to be standing here in this white water, you know. It would have probably just take me away. This is all mud, you know. I'm standing. Let me just show you right here. I'm standing in the water. Probably you don't believe me. Okay? Don't look at my socks, okay? But right over there is all mud. I got stuck like a minute ago in that mud. That's why I just tried to get to higher ground. All of this, look at this. All of this, the government, they just cleaned up this place like a year ago. right here they tried to build a dam. So you can imagine what happened. All those rocks right there, all those rocks, you know, the water just pushed them out of the way in order to get whatever it needs to get to. All of these rocks, look at them right there. And down here you can see the sands, the other pebbles and rocks that were part of that dam they built. All of this came right over here, and there is much more, but I cannot go into that because it's that's too deep. Right over there, let me just show you right there. Let me just throw a piece of rock in there, and then you can see how deep this thing is. You see that? So forget it, I'm not gonna walk into that. Over there. If I go over there I will get stuck in mud. So when I collect myself, I'm gonna leave this place for somebody else to come over here and enjoy it. I know they should. One more, for the sake of science. There you go. That's how you test sometimes how deep something is. The other time you have just walk into it, then you will find out. But this is nice. I mean, nature. Just nature. I mean, water going, flowing. Where he has flown for like years, millions of years, and we came over and we tried to stop it. Forget it, man. This is nature. That's its best. Let's see if I can go a little bit closer. Closer and closer. Closer. No, closer. Not steady. Not steady. All mud. See the color? It just changes. If I were to somebody else, I might have, you know, go to that adventure, but I'm by myself, so forget it. Next time. Okay, guys? This is awesome. Boy, oh boy, I'm telling you, this is awesome. Look at it. This is awesome. Boy, oh boy.